Hello, how you guys doing today? Welcome to our Office of Black Student Success Blackboard tutorial. This is where you will learn how to navigate Blackboard like a pro. I'm not going to make this video long. I'm just going to be going over the quick tips and tricks on how to access and navigate on a daily basis. First and foremost, Blackboard is an opportunity. This is your database to stay connected with our program. As you know, we will be posting announcements, events. You'll have your requirements on here, paperwork, or not paperwork, but documents that you may need throughout the semester to help you complete your requirements and so forth and so forth. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. This is what you would call your Office of Black Student Success homepage. This is where you would check out announcements, any events that we'll post. You will have them in here. If we have surveys that we need you guys help to fill out, or any tickets that we want to give away, this is where you will have them in announcements. To the right of that is going to be your requirements and tasks throughout the semester. As you know, meeting with your Office of Blacks, I can't even talk, but meeting with your advisor at least once a semester, meeting with your OBSS peer mentor at least twice a semester, attending and participating in an academic advising session, completing in at least 10 hours of tutoring for for the academic semester, attending and participating 2 academic workshops, and let me see if there's more tasking under here. And you also have study logs that we'll go over as well, your weekly study logs. I know it sounds like it's a lot of work, but again, these are things that are in place to help you be successful. And it doesn't have to be like a lot of work. It can be something that you guys can get done and do it very, very well and extremely easy, okay? Again, because you posted to study, you want to make sure you keep in contact with us. You want to make sure you're staying on task, and you stand on the road to success to try to get to where you want to be, okay? There's nothing wrong with having a little support, and this is why we got the Office of Black Student Success. All right, this video that we're creating will also be in our tutorial overview. So if you ever want to check out this video to say you forgot, or you just want to get refreshed, this is where you can find the Office of Black Student Success Blackboard tutorial, okay? This is our contact sheet, so if you want to set up appointments, this is our availability for the fall 2018 semester. If you need to meet with your peer mentor, definitely you can see their office hours, times they're in the office, and then you can also email them if you have quick questions that need to be answered. Me as well, I'm in the office, Joel224. We're all in the office of Joel224 from 8 to 5 for me, but they have different schedules. So if you ever want to get in contact with them, be sure to check out this page to set up an appointment, and they are going to be setting out campaigns very, very soon, so you can make sure that you can meet your yearly or semester requirements with us, okay? Again, announcements is where you have events and things like that. This would be the actual announcement tabs, so be sure to check this out at least once a day. You should be checking out the Blackboard at least once a day, and even if you don't see nothing, just check and just double check, just so you can get in the habit of going and taking care of things you need to take care of. This is our fall 2018 important dates. If the dates are not accurate, just let us know. We'll be sure to update this. I think that for the most part, these are accurate dates for this year. And if it's not, just let us know. We'll clarify and make sure and double check, okay? This is the nitty-gritty. This is something that has mostly everything you need. If you need to print out a GE sheet, you can print it here. Our OBSS tutoring verification forms. This is what it looks like. And why it look like that, I don't know. But if you ever want to, that's not the tutoring form. This is the 10 ways. My bad. I'm so sorry. This is the tutoring form. Here we go. All right. There we go. That's something that we're going to get to in just a sec. But the tutoring form looks like this. All you got to do is put your name, the date of the session, what else? The course you went to tutoring for. You can go to the Learning Center. You can go to your office office hours, professor office hours. And we want to at least have you there for at least 30 to 45 minutes to an hour at least. Going in for 5 minutes, you're really not getting no tutoring done. But this is an opportunity of getting in the habit of asking for help. And so you'll put the list of what you learned, because you're not just going there to get help with assignments. You want to actually comprehend and understand the concepts that you need to learn for the course. And then you want to put your department name, number there, so we can contact them if we need to get in contact with them. And you want to turn this in at least once a month, at least once a month, so you can stay in the habit. Do not wait till the last minute to do your 10 hours. Come on now, let's do it early. If you do these things early, we can almost guarantee that you're going to have a successful semester. So please do not wait to the very last second to start getting your 10 hours in. Come on now, let's not do that. Let's start off on the right foot, okay? So that's what your tutoring forms look like. Also, this is another biggie. Study logs. We're starting our weekly study logs next week, so we're giving you some time to get your feet wet. But what you do, you put your student ID number, your student ID, your name, email, academic year, and then what you do is for whatever day it is, just put the number, not the hours. Just put the number there, not the hours. So just 3 hours, 3, 4, 5, etc., for whatever amount of hours you study for that day. Okay, and this everything is accessible to you, so you shouldn't be no reasons why you forget. You're gonna turn this in every Sunday starting next Sunday. Okay, next Sunday will be the first study log we will be receiving for you, and if we don't get it, we'll definitely be reaching out to see what's going on. Okay. Also, this is where we will host our in-person workshops. We're going to be putting the workshops in there very soon, and then the workshop flyers as well, and then online workshops. We're going to have an online workshop, so if you can't make it to an in-person workshop, you can come to one of our online workshops and get support and get credit for one of your academic workshops. Okay. Also, a pretty neat thing is you have like your campus resources, and the dope thing about this is that you can click on this and it takes you directly to the source. And so if you ever want to get in contact with the Learning Center Career Services, this is what you need to do. You just click on campus resources, click on the link, and it goes right to it. Like, we set this thing up for you guys to have it easier to be accessible to any resources on campus. And the dope thing that we don't only have on campus, we have off campus things like Ride the Bus for Free, Walmart, Gas Buddy. And then if you got any other off-campus resources that you think we should put in there, like food places you think we should go to, barbershops you think we should go to, let us know so we can make sure we update this, because this is your database. This is something you can use to help you throughout your college career here at Fresno State. All right. And then last but not least, we have our yearly modules, and this is also something pretty cool. Remember when I pulled up that accidental file when it talked about 10 ways to become a better freshman student? Like, this is what you get it because it's in your freshman folder. So it's dedicated and it's like specific to each year you're in school. Like, your seniors is not going to be the same as your freshmen, and your juniors are not going to be the same as your sophomores. And then, like, this is pretty cool. This is a pretty neat little thing. And like, it talks about like learn how to organize, manage your time. One of the worst places to study may be where you live. You know, you never think about that. Treat college like an 8-hour day and 40-hour work week. You gotta put in the time. Like, college is not hard, but it is a commitment. So the more you commit to it, the more you get out of it. And so these are pretty neat things. And the dope thing about this as well is if you go back, let's go back to our yearly modules. We also have things that are like, it's our inspirational quotes, like things that's going to help inspire you. You know, success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Like, things that's going to help uplift you. We're going to be doing a lot of cool things in that regards as well, to help motivate you, to help encourage you to keep going, because it's going to be tough. But that's why we have this office. That's why we have this Blackboard, to keep us on, you know, the road to success, to keep us motivated, man. Because it's not easy. It's not easy to be a college student, but it's easy to fail. It's easy to fall off, and it's easy to not come back. So we want to try to prevent that as much as possible, okay? And that's pretty much the gist of it. You know, this is our Blackboard. This is your Blackboard. If you have any questions or concerns on how to navigate it, again, we're going to be putting this video up in our Blackboard, and then you can also always email us and reach out to us, because we have no problem with helping you going over it together. All right, well, without further ado, we're about to get up out of here. We hope you have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, keep working hard, and don't hardly work. All right, we love you. We'll see you soon. And that's out. We out of here from the Office of Black Student Success. Peace.